Morning. Well, I'm out today. It's Sunday. I'm out with Karen and we're just up at Derwent. Just found this amazing car park where you can park overnight for just 10 quid. Unbelievable. It's got toilets as well. So that's Derwent Reservoir. Clearly. And there's my motor. I brought my drone, I'm going to do a little bit of flying. Take some area shots, a little bit windy, it's not too bad. Shouldn't bother us too much. But we'll see. And I don't want to disturb the guys fishing, so I'll keep it over this end. Get some nice aerial shots. Happy to share. Let's go and say hello to Karen, she's in the van. It's me set up, ready to go. Hello.
Hello.
We've had our first bacon sandwich. What else would it be? Isn't it? Gotta be. So I'm going to get this bad boy up, and once it's all done and dusted, I'll whack it onto YouTube. Here at Derwent Reservoir. Sure, man.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be